Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec 2018 Commerce Past Question. Question number 39 says, activities undertaken to create awareness of a product by giving out samples or gifts is dash. That is activity, that is actions of people or any person to create awareness, to let people know about a particular product by giving out samples that okay, take this, go and test it, take this, go and use it, then you come and testify, or give that okay, I dash you this, go and use it, then it's called dash. A, marketing means. B, marketing concept. C, window display. D, sales promotion. The correct option here is option D, says what? Promotion. You know, by the time you use a good product at freeway, then you go for that product the next time you want to buy. So it's to create awareness about that product and so on and so forth. Then I want to talk of sales promotion. Sales promotion. Sales promotion. Promotion. Sales promotion is the activities which allows producers, it could be producers or marketers, to create awareness of a product or a particular product by giving out samples. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.